So in this tutorial, we are going to teach you on how to claim your voucher code on NodePay. So first, you need to access any web browser or search engines, but in this case, I am going to use the Google and kindly use the search bar for you to able to search for the NodePay.ai. Once you click on that, you will redirect to this page, and for you to able to claim your voucher, just log in using your account by clicking the login and enter your credentials for you to able to access your account. Once you're logged in, don't forget to click this checkbox so that you could fully access your account. And once you're logged in, you will see this page. So for you to able to claim your voucher code, you just have to click this icon right here, which is on the top right corner. Once you click on that, you will see this one, which is a few options will pop up, and you just have to click on the claim voucher, and you can now claim your voucher if you have one. Just enter or input your code right here, and once it is already input, just click on the claim voucher button. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.